Most people believe a car lasting over 500,000 miles is pure luck, that you either get a good engine or you don't. But that belief is completely wrong. There are thousands of cars in the US right now quietly crossing 500,000 miles with their original engines and transmissions, and none of them got there by accident. These owners didn't spend crazy money or use secret factory parts. They simply avoided the habits that slowly kill cars and followed a few powerful hacks that most drivers never take seriously. In this video, we are uncovering 15 car hacks that will silently make your car last over 500,000 miles. Watch until the end, because the final hack is the difference between an engine that dies at 200,000 miles and one that becomes a true legend. Let's start with the hack most drivers overlook. Hack number 1. Avoid cold start abuse. Cold start abuse is one of the fastest ways to destroy the engine. Most drivers think warming up a car means waiting until the temperature gauge rises, but that belief has destroyed millions of engines. The real goal of warming up is not heat, it's oil circulation. When you start a cold engine, oil has not fully reached critical components like camshafts, piston rings, turbo bearings, and timing chains. Metal parts are moving before they're fully protected, and every hard rev during this phase causes microscopic wear that adds up over time. The biggest mistake drivers make is thinking modern engines don't need warm-up anymore. The truth is, they don't need long idling, but they absolutely need gentle driving. Owners of 500,000-mile cars followed a simple rule. Start the car, wait 20 to 40 seconds, then drive smoothly with low RPM. No sudden acceleration, no flooring it, no racing out of the parking lot. This allows oil pressure to stabilize and coat every internal surface properly. Engines that were driven gently when cold showed dramatically less wear even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Cold abuse doesn't cause instant failure, it quietly shortens your engine's future. Hack number 2. Change oil based on how you drive. Here is something long-lasting engines all have in common. Oil changes were based on how the car was driven, not just the number on the dashboard. Short trips, stop-and-go traffic, towing, idling, and extreme temperatures all destroy oil faster than highway driving. Cars that reached 500,000 miles adjusted oil change timing based on usage, not convenience. Owners shortened intervals when driving conditions were harsh, even if the oil looked fine. They understood that oil breaks down chemically long before it looks dirty. Sludge, varnish, and ring deposits form silently and choke engines from the inside out. These drivers also checked oil level regularly because running low increases friction and heat dramatically. Oil is not just lubrication, it is cooling, cleaning, sealing, and protecting. Treating oil like disposable fluid is one of the biggest reasons engines never make it past 200,000 miles. Hack number 3. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor is one of the most important and most neglected components in modern engines. This tiny sensor tells your engine exactly how much air is entering so the computer can deliver the perfect amount of fuel. When it gets dirty, everything goes wrong quietly. Dirt, oil vapor, and dust coat the sensor and cause incorrect airflow readings that force the engine to run rich or lean. That leads to carbon buildup, overheating, spark knock, and catalytic converter damage. To clean the MAF sensor, first turn the engine off and disconnect the battery. Locate the MAF sensor on the intake pipe between the air filter box and the engine. Unplug the electrical connector carefully and remove the sensor using the correct screwdriver. Spray only MAF sensor cleaner directly onto the sensor to wash away dirt and oil. Let it air dry completely for about 10 minutes. Reinstall the sensor, reconnect the plug, and start the car. A clean MAF restores accurate fueling, smoother acceleration, and lower internal stress. Hack number 4. Drive the engine smart. One of the biggest myths is that driving gently all the time makes a car last longer. In reality, engines that last 500,000 miles are driven smart, not soft. According to U.S. vehicle reliability studies, driving behavior alone can account for up to 30 to 40% difference in engine longevity, even between identical models. Engines that only do short, low RPM city trips rarely burn off carbon deposits, leading to clogged intake valves, sticky piston rings, and oil consumption issues. On the other hand, aggressive driving before the engine warms up causes accelerated bearing, camshaft, and cylinder wear. Owners of 500,000-mile cars followed a simple but powerful rule: gentle when cold, purposeful when warm. Once oil temperature stabilized, they allowed moderate acceleration, steady highway speeds, and proper RPM operation. This kept combustion clean, piston rings sealed, and internal pressures balanced. Smart driving doesn't mean slow driving. It means driving in a way the engine was engineered for. Hack number 5. Clean the throttle body. The throttle body controls how much air enters your engine, and over time it becomes coated with carbon, oil residue, and grime. In US service data, dirty throttle bodies are a common cause of rough idle, stalling, delayed throttle response, and erratic RPM behavior. Owners of 500,000-mile cars cleaned the throttle body regularly to keep airflow smooth and predictable. To clean your throttle body, turn the engine off and let it cool. Remove the intake hose to expose the throttle body. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean cloth. Gently wipe carbon buildup around the throttle plate and inner bore. Do not force an electronic throttle plate open by hand. Once clean, reinstall the intake hose securely and start the engine. A slightly rough idle at first is normal. A clean throttle body restores smooth airflow, stable idle, and reduces long-term engine stress. Ignoring throttle body buildup doesn't cause instant failure, but it slowly degrades engine efficiency and lifespan mile after mile. Hack number 6. Maintain the cooling system like engine life support. If oil is the engine's blood, the cooling system is its heartbeat, and ignoring it is fatal. US automotive failure data shows overheating and cooling-related issues are among the top causes of catastrophic engine failure, especially after 150,000 miles. What most drivers don't realize is that engines don't have to overheat severely to be damaged. Even running slightly hotter than normal accelerates oil breakdown, hardens seals, and weakens metal over time. Owners of half-million-mile cars treat the cooling system as non-negotiable maintenance. They change coolant on schedule, not when it turns brown. Coolant replacement keeps corrosion inhibitors active and cooling efficiency at factory levels. They also replace thermostats, radiator caps, hoses, and fans at the first sign of weakness. Many engines that randomly blew head gaskets were slowly killed by years of marginal cooling performance. Stable engine temperature keeps oil effective, prevents warping, and protects head gaskets and valve seals. This hack alone has saved more engines than any performance mod ever could. Hack number 7. Service transmission fluid before problems start. Transmission health is just as important as engine health, yet millions of automatic transmissions fail each year in the US, often while the engine is still healthy. Transmission rebuilds commonly cost $3,500 to $7,000, which is why many owners give up on the car entirely. The biggest myth killing transmissions is lifetime fluid. In reality, heat breaks down transmission fluid, destroys friction modifiers, and fills the system with clutch debris and metal particles. Once fluid loses its protective properties, internal pressure becomes unstable, which causes slipping, harsh shifts, and valve body damage. Cars that passed 500,000 miles had one thing in common: clean, healthy transmission fluid. Whether automatic, CVT, or manual, fluid was serviced before it burned, oxidized, or filled with clutch debris. This hack keeps internal pressures stable, prevents slipping, and protects bearings and valve bodies. Hack number 8. Fix small problems immediately. Every car that reaches 500,000 miles follows one rule: nothing gets ignored. In the US, Consumer Reports data consistently shows that drivers who delay minor repairs end up paying 2 to 3 times more in long-term repair costs. A small issue never stays small in a modern vehicle. A tiny vacuum leak can cause lean combustion, overheating, and burned valves. A weak ignition coil can silently destroy catalytic converters that cost over $1,000 to replace. A minor oil leak can starve the engine under hard driving without ever triggering a warning light. Fixing issues early is not about perfection. It's about stopping one failure from creating 5 more. Prevention is the quiet secret behind extreme mileage. Hack number 9. Protect the engine from dirt and contamination. This is one of the most underrated longevity hacks of all time. Engines consume thousands of gallons of air for every gallon of fuel burned, and if that air contains dirt, dust, or debris, it acts like sandpaper inside the engine. Dirt entering through damaged intake hoses or cheap air filters slowly grinds away piston rings, cylinder walls, and bearings. This doesn't cause immediate failure. It causes loss of compression years later. Maintenance guides recommend changing air filters as often as every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and more if you drive in dusty conditions. Cars that see 500,000 miles treat airflow like gold. Clean inputs create clean combustion, stable compression, and long internal life. Engines don't usually die from wear, they die from contamination. Hack number 11. Maintain correct tire pressure. Most people think tire pressure only affects fuel economy, but the damage goes much deeper. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, nearly 25% of vehicles on American roads have at least one significantly underinflated tire. That creates excess rolling resistance, forcing the engine and transmission to work harder every single mile. Underinflated tires also increase suspension wear, strain wheel bearings, worsen alignment issues, and amplify vibration throughout the chassis. Owners of 500,000-mile cars checked tire pressure regularly, not once every few months. Proper inflation kept rolling loads balanced, reduced drivetrain stress, and improved overall vehicle stability. This simple habit protects far more than rubber. It protects the entire mechanical ecosystem of the car. Hack number 12. Keep the suspension and engine mounts tight. Many drivers overlook suspension and engine mounts as long-life parts, but they are vital for durability. Worn suspension means uncontrolled vibrations, uneven loads, and stress transmitted through the entire chassis. Broken engine mounts amplify vibrations straight into the drivetrain, stressing sensors, hoses, and even internal engine parts. Dependability studies show that vehicles with poor mount and suspension reliability score significantly lower in overall longevity. Keeping shocks, bushings, and mounts in excellent shape reduces mechanical fatigue everywhere else. Cars that last over 500,000 miles don't rattle, clunk, or shake. A smooth, stable ride is not just comfort, it is long-term protection for every system connected to the drivetrain. Hack number 13. Avoid excessive idling. One of the biggest myths in America is that idling is harmless because the car is not moving. In reality, idling causes engine wear without the benefits of proper airflow or steady lubrication dynamics. U.S. fleet studies estimate that 1 hour of idling equals roughly 25 to 30 miles of engine wear. During idle, engines often run rich, leading to fuel dilution in oil, carbon buildup on valves, and increased internal contamination. Long idle times also raise engine temperatures without sufficient cooling airflow, stressing oil and seals. Owners of ultra-high mileage vehicles minimized unnecessary idling, especially during cold starts. Police fleets, taxis, and delivery services that reach extreme mileage actively manage idle time for this exact reason. Less idling means cleaner oil, less carbon, and dramatically longer engine life. Moving the car gently is often healthier than letting it sit and idle. Hack number 14. Use top-tier fuel. Fuel quality matters far more than most drivers realize. In the US, AAA testing found that lower quality gasoline without proper detergent additives can increase engine deposits by up to 19 times compared to top-tier fuel. Those deposits don't just hurt fuel economy, they clog injectors, disrupt spray patterns, cause uneven combustion, and accelerate valve and piston damage. Owners of 500,000-mile cars consistently used top-tier fuel, not because it was premium, but because it was cleaner. Cleaner fuel keeps injectors flowing correctly, prevents carbon buildup, and maintains stable combustion temperatures. Over time, dirty fuel leads to misfires, rough idle, and catalytic converter damage. Clean fuel equals clean combustion, and clean combustion is the foundation of engine longevity. Hack number 15. The Shift Smart Ritual. Most transmission damage happens not from mileage, but from bad shifting habits repeated daily. In the US, transmission repairs are among the most expensive common vehicle failures, often exceeding $4,000 to $6,000, which is why many cars are junked even with healthy engines. Owners of 500,000-mile cars followed a simple shift smart ritual every time they drove. They always come to a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse, and never rush the gear engagement and avoid shifting while rolling. They let the transmission fully engage before applying throttle, especially when cold. On hills, they apply the parking brake before selecting park to remove stress from the parking pawl. These habits reduce internal shock loads, clutch wear, and pressure spikes inside the transmission. Transmissions don't usually fail suddenly. They are worn out by thousands of tiny abuses. The Shift Smart ritual eliminates those abuses before they add up. At the last, I want to clarify, cars that reach 500,000 miles are not lucky. They are driven by people who stack small advantages every single day. Each hack on its own adds a little life, but together, they multiply lifespan dramatically. If this video is helpful for you, like it and subscribe to Mechanic Tips for more car hacks.